Now, I've said this before. It's going to work. I'm going to repeat it again. A low-cost S&P 500 index fund is a great way to get exposure to the greatest wealth creator of our time, the stock market. Although the bond market's been given a pretty good run for the money. Now, if you don't have much capital and you're just trying to save for retirement, please put that money in an index fund. Imagine if I came out every night and just said, hi, I'm Jim Cramer, buy index funds. See you tomorrow. I mean, I guess I could do that. But if I really believed in them, and I do, I also think that there's more to it. See, because if you've got some mad money, hence the show, to play with or invest, if you're mad at me about saying play, you can get better returns from owning a diversified portfolio of 5 to 10 stocks as long as you're willing to do the homework alongside that index fund. Plus, when you really nail a stock pick, you get that joyous feeling of winning the lottery. And I think this lottery is very much rigged in your favor. Think of it as an extra incentive to invest in the market rather than spending your money on something fun. Hey, I like that. You want some examples? All right, boy, today was the day. Just look at the action in the healthcare sector, where we had some huge winners. This morning, totally out of nowhere, we learned that Biogen is seeking FDA approval for a potentially groundbreaking Alzheimer's drug. What did the stock do? It shot up 26% for the owners of a chunk of this company. What made this so shocking? Like many other drug companies, Biogen's been working on an Alzheimer's treatment for years. Listen, this is the holy grail of medicine, people. Everybody's been searching for it. No one ever finds it. Johnson & Johnson failed. Pfizer failed. Eli Lilly failed. And earlier this year, it looked like Biogen had failed, too. In March, they halted their late-stage trial for this thing, a drug that might be able to slow the progress of Alzheimer's, which would be huge for the 5 million Americans suffering from the disease. But how about for everybody else who's deathly afraid of getting it? But earlier today, in one of the most astounding turnabouts, I mean, truly, I would have devoted my whole morning show about this. David Faber and I talked to this with Carl. It's truly turning turnabout. Biogen tells that they've done a new analysis, and the drug's working. Long-duration, high-dose administration is giving us all the right signs. Better cognition, improved ability to handle what are known as the activities of daily life, household chores, independently traveling, personal finance. So Biogen's resuming its trials after meeting with the FDA, first in June and again yesterday. Yet the FDA is encouraging them to proceed with these studies. In other words, it's not the company doing it. It's the FDA saying, hey, green light. This could be a game changer for anyone with Alzheimer's. If this thing works and the side effects are minimal, it could be I am saying right now, the biggest drug in history. A blockbuster to end all blockbusters. This is exactly when I get off the desk with CEOs of the pharmaceutical industry. They all say it can't be done. You can't reverse the plaque. No wonder Biogen's stock caught fire. And I think it might have more room to run. So many analysts got burned when Biogen suspended the last clinical trial after saying they thought the things were pretty good, that they're gun shy. Almost all of them rate the stock. There were two prominent sells, while Biogen's had a big move here. You know, it's still down more than 50 points from where it was trading in March. That seems wrong to me. Biogen's profitable. It suddenly got a new major catalyst. I'm betting some of these analysts who will be forced to upgrade the stock to a buy. And when they do, this one's going to go higher.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.